Welcome to the testing world. In this session, we are going to set up a sample application. It's a native application which we are going to install on our device, and we will continue our complete course on this application. This application is specially designed for the testing purpose. Here you are going to get a registration form with the different options, and we can use these options for automation practice. I just want to clarify here, you can fill complete form with your details. You're not going to get any of your detail. It's simple application which will install on your device. It's not going to send any data anywhere else. It's just a simple application. So I'm just moving to the browser, and that's the URL. So I'm going to share this URL with you, and we can download this application. So that's a very simple application, and I'll show you how we can install it. You are going to download this application. Now I'll show you how we can set up. So I'm just copying this address, moving to the command prompt, and from the command prompt, I'm moving to the address where your APK file is placed. So that's the location. So now I'm on the location where my application is placed, and here we need to write adb install and whatever the application name. So my application name was this. Enter. It's going to install application on your device. It could be a real device or a virtual device. So if I go to my device, so here you will notice that's my application which is installed over here. I just want to show you this application. So I just click on this, and the application is started. It's a simple registration form which you can fill. So that's the basic details you are getting on a home page. We just need to click on register, and here on the registration page we are getting like simple details. But here you will notice you are getting a lot of options which you are normally going to get on a real-time applications. Like we have the text box, we have checkbox, we have like date picker, so you can pick the date from here. And also I'm just having country, so it's a drop down. You can get the value on the drop down and apart from it. And then we have email, mobile, there are a few checkboxes, and here we have few buttons. Like this is the submit button, you can submit your information, and that's the exception button. It's going to generate an exception, so you will notice how to handle that. We have a clear button. So it's a sample app, and once you submit, your form is done. You will be on the next page. Again, I just reiterate, we are not going to get your information from this application. It's just a sample application which is saving your information on your device only. So here we have seen that's a simple application. One more option I want to show you. Like sometimes you will notice when you are installing this app or any app, it might be possible installation failure. I'm just deleting it as of now. I'm taking example like installation is failed. What could be the reason of the failure? If you're getting this error like install parse failed, no certificate, what does it mean? It means every APK which you are going to use on your system, or I'll say on your mobile, having a signature. If you want to use that APK for the testing purpose, so sometimes, it's not always, sometimes you need to generate a certificate. So if this application is installed successfully, you need not to generate any certificate. Everything is done, everything is fine. But if you are getting this exception, means you need to generate a certificate. Then how to generate certificate? For that, go to the application first, double click on this. It will open in a WinRAR. You can delete this meta info. You just selected this and delete. So meta in folder is deleted. Now, next is I am going to share you this document. We need to generate that certificate again. So here, first of all, I shown you need to delete this certificate. Then in your system, there is a .android folder. You need to move over. how we can go to that location. So we need to write android.android here on this run. So here, if you are getting this file with the name debug.keystore, if you have the file, that's fine. I'm just deleting it. I am generating a real-time scenario, means you do not have this file. So how to generate this file? First, I'll tell you what is this file. So this file having the complete information about your system, means the system on which you are running the test cases. So how to generate this file? That is the line of code which you can copy and just go to the command prompt and run it. It will ask for few information like give your password. You can give any password. I'm just giving password as a. So as you enter that, a file will be generated with the name debug.keystore. Now I just need to move to, you'll get these information like you need to enter name, first name, last name, location. So everything you need to enter and a file will be generated. Now copy this and go to the command prompt again. I just write this, that's the second command. Few changes that you need to do. First change, here you need to give the location and the file name of your application. In my case, I'm just giving my location and my application name is this. So I just copied it, pasted over here. In the same way, here you need to give your Android folder location. So in your case, whatever the location is, in my case, my Android folder location, we just started that. So that's the Android folder location. And we need to give that location here. So these are the two changes that you need to do in this command and just enter. So it is asking for the password. I'm giving, that's my password. And it is generating license, or I'll say the new license for your application. Once the license is generated, you can go to your application, you can double click and open it. You will notice this folder, meta-inf folder, meta-inf folder is again created. Means your application license is generated. Now to install it, we know that how to install. From the command prompt, go to the location where your APK file is placed and then adb install and the file name. Enter. You will notice it is installing application on your device, and if you check your device, you will get that application here again. So here in this session, we have covered how we can set up sample application on my virtual device. That's all we have for this session. Thanks for watching this video. Hello all. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions regarding this video, please ask in the comment section. And also, please like and subscribe for more software testing courses. Also, we are offering a wonderful package of software testing online video courses in $200. Find us on Facebook for more offers and updates. Here is the URL, facebook.com/testingworldindia.